Right, managed to undo one of the drain plugs. Good job I work in a joinery shop, because that looks like PVA glue coming out at the bottom of there. That is not what it should look like. That's a real bloody mess. I don't think that oil has ever been changed, let alone topped up. Wow, what a mess. I'll show it to you in a minute or two once I've hopefully got this second bung out. There we go. It's going, it's just a tight out bugger, that's all. Like Montgomery Burns, it's that tight. I mean, look at that. Great. Can't wait to start fertling through this, trying to wash it out, trying to see what the problem is. It seems to be coming out slowly, very slowly. That looks pretty bloody horrible. And I've got a feeling some of these are not going to go back in. But we'll see. We shall see. It is just a game after all. Oh, bloody thing. Yeah, that's bung number 2 out. But, coming out a little bit better than porridge, but not a lot. So, by the looks of this, it's just been stuck in with like an old tube of silicone. Nothing special. No rubber grommets. Nothing. It's just a crappy bung. And not done well at all. And finally starting to see the chamber emptying. Can see bits and pieces. Give it a good wash out in a minute, and I shall resume the video in a second. Right, I'm back with you. It's just gonna try and clean this bloody tank bit out. I'll give you a quick show of it, show you what's in. It's like bloody yogurt. Awesome. So, I'm probably going to get told off by some of you fanatics, but it's just going to be washed out with a bit of white spirits. Try and thin a bit of this crap out, get it washed out a bit. But it'll be alright. Be alright on the night, as they say. It's still looking a bit yogurty. Well, hopefully that will start to work. Get some of this crap pumped out, which might take a while, seeing as though there is a mountain of it. I'll show you the stuff that's come out Look at this yummy, yummy stuff. Try not to swear. But yeah, that's milky. Good wash out. Can't really get in too well with toothbrush. Not with these chubby monkey hands anyway. But do this a few times. And then put that crap back in a bucket so I don't set me shop on fire. Oh, lovely. Yummy, yummy, lovely. Well, I don't think I'm going to get much more out of that. And that, again, is now not quite as bad as yogurt, but getting there.